visit this enchanting place, Hingoog City.
Hingoog is the city in northern Mindanao. Hingoog is also known as the vacation city of the Amin Oriental, not only because of a beautiful place to visit, but because of the beautiful and hospitable people who reside therein. Mahayay ang Pantalan, Hingoog City, is one. Pantalan is one of the most famous tourist spots in Hingoog City, wherein we can eat back and relax.
Enchanting mountains, perfect skies, Hingoog City captures your eyes. It's the place to be for you and me, the pure adventure city. There's no better place to be, Hingoog City.
Pantalan or Payay sa Pantalan is the place where everyone go whenever they have a free time. Pantalan is not just for a day, it also suits at night because there is a lot of street food and there is coffee night, which is means night cafe, and there is a children's park or children's playground, and also there is a free band for more relaxing and romantic night.
In terms of food, Pantalan will never leave because there are many foods that we can find at
Makisalo sa piyesta sa buwan ng Mayo.
Together we can fly.
Sometimes, we just need some time in a beautiful place to clean our head. And yes, Pahayay sa Pantalan will never dismay you. It seems like Pahayay sa Pantalan is calling you. So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit Pahayay sa Pantalan. See you!